So if language is the scaffolding which binds together the early energy from the Big Bang or collapsed stars, and which is picked up by microtubules and eventually is the microconstructs of neurons and therefore the brain and the basis of language, and in turn all the microconstructs of language, then this demonstrates the incredible elasticity or capability or multi-dimensionality of this energy, which is just coming and insisting on expressing itself, and has come and built this incredible machinery of brain and of language, and this synthesis between biochemistry and electricity and quantum, and then linguo, theological and conscious. It is a most remarkable and bizarre, and it seems to be entering into many different dimensions. This type of variation probably cannot exist on a single plane. So there seems to be some access to incredible energy which is allowing for the creativity which has been demonstrated in the 21st century. If one can mine this energy, can access it, can understand that how it is stored, and can unlock the incredulity of its horizons and of its nature, of its infinite nature to travel. And if one can trap it, like one traps light in a series of mirrors which are done in the Hadron Collider. So if one can, like the Hadron Collider, which takes particles and accelerates them, and then refracts them and reflects them and plays with them and sees how they move and how they structure, can this be done with the gamma ray, or the energy, the frequencies which are the source of the microtubule, which, according to these theories of Hameroff and Penrose, are the basis of consciousness? And if this can be done, and if there seems to be a way to test and to create almost like a symphony or a collider, a particle collider, or a frequency collider, or a gamma ray frequency collider, a consciousness a frequency collider, and and this may sound a bit strange, but to understand the frequencies that cross dimensions and transdimensionalism, in the same way that this energy seems to be traversing dimensions according to the shape of language and words, and this system that humanity has invented to entrap it. So the proposal is to actually create a machine, or a artificial intelligence aided human machine structure which capacitates, or which measures, and I don't know how this can be done right now, but attempts to assess this gamma ray consciousness, imagination structure vis-a-vis each other, and vis-a-vis the assumption that this is creating infinite universes. And if there is an infinite universes, and if there's batches of infinite universes, it creates a verticity, a vortex, almost like a gravitational pull of the infinity, which in itself, possibly, according to physics, may have its own influence. It's a hard one, and it's for more sessions.